How to install the 32-ounce dispenser on a table stand. Please note that the solution bag must only be installed after the stand is placed in its final location. It is important to note to not remove the yellow clip from the table stand. If you do not have a yellow clip, do not use the table stand, as it can cause damage to the dispenser or the table stand. Remove the mounting plate from the back of the dispenser. Gently pull the mounting plate tab away from the dispenser and pull down on the mounting plate to remove it. Slide the dispenser onto the table stand. Press down until the dispenser snaps into place. If the dispenser is difficult to press down, make sure that the grooves of the dispenser are properly aligned with the grooves of the table stand.